Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix music app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining that their music app is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this. So guys, if you're also facing this issue after iOS 17 update, so guys don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. For doing this, simply you have to tap on your settings, then scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to check for update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple frequently releases the update that may include bug fixes for issues like this. Simply again go to your settings and tap on General and tap on Software Update. Then check is any update is available for your iPhone. If there is, then simply you have to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating your iPhone to the latest version and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to force quit the music app. If the music app is unresponsible, you can force quit it and then relaunch it. Simply open the app, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then simply close this app and then try reopening it. If it still doesn't work, then you have to check for storage space. Ensure that your iPhone has enough available storage space. If it's running low on storage, this can impact the performance of apps like music. Simply go to your settings and go to general and go to iPhone storage and check which app is using the most storage. If any app is using too much storage and you don't want it to use, simply you can delete it or offload it. After checking your storage and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase any of your personal data, but it will reset your settings to their default. Simply go to your settings, then tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.